Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for BSc nursing entrance exam step by step. Start by mastering core concepts like mechanics, electricity, waves, and optics, then practice problem solving daily. Break study into short, focused sessions and review mistakes immediately. Use concise notes, solved previous papers, and timed mock tests to build speed and accuracy. Keep a steady pace and revisit weak topics until you gain confidence. Begin each topic with a quick concept summary, then apply active recall to reinforce memory. Use spaced repetition for formulas and units, and schedule short reviews after 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week. Solve varied problems to see multiple applications and focus on problem patterns. Time yourself on practice sets to improve exam speed while tracking common errors for targeted revision and steady improvement. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long study marathons and can boost your focus with fewer distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, enjoy the comfort. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a single clear textbook and a focused question bank to avoid confusion, and create a weekly plan covering mixed topics. Allocate time for new learning, problem practice, and review, with 1 full-length mock test every week. Keep sessions short and frequent to prevent fatigue, and track progress with simple charts. Prioritize weak areas, but maintain revision of strong topics for balanced preparation and steady confidence growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.